No, 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 no. We have to do this. Oh! You okay, man? Yeah, I'm fine. Cloudy, you stop your messing around. Howl in. Your howl. Whoa, this is kind of fun. Okay. Oh, hey everyone. I'm Valentine in the blue shirt, and this is Claude. Man, it's been a wild week because guess what? Oh, here, let me come closer. Yeah. Okay. Oh my. Okay. Well, looking up, she kinda something. She said she liked me. No joke. And I knew. And then, yeah, Jackie Laura said a few things. So, I kinda like her too. Valentine likes her too. What are they going to do? Oh, okay, so we have a video that we want to show you, but we are just making it right now. Okay, ready, set, go. So I was thinking, like, we could do this. Whoa! Yo, Claude! You okay? Me okay? Are you? Whoa! That's was you're standing. I know. Isn't that kind of cool? I can stop and you're standing there just like that. Oh, yes. Now, we are gonna show you how to rock and roll. Wow! Claude, stop throwing yourself around. Watch out! Watch out! Ow, my foot! Ow! 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 I think that was enough, Claude. I think you ordered. Well, I'm gonna go in to my house for a quick second. Sorry. Sorry. Stop! She means Stacy. In. She doesn't want in. So yeah, I'm sorry, bro. He's just a little crazy. Me? I'm crazy? I'm crazy? I'm not crazy. What? Claude! Stop. You're going around. That is not normal. Stop. Claude, what are you doing? You're making me scared. I better go see what that was all about. What? Where is he? I can't see. Where did he go? He's gone. Who is gone? No. No way. I made Valentine disappear. Valentine disappeared. Ow, that kinda hurt. I need to find Valentine and he needs to go to Valentine's Day. Well, that was kind of fun. Get your fly off there! Well, if you didn't knock me down, I would kill you. Oh, really? Oh, really? Oh, yeah. Ah! That wasn't funny. That wasn't funny. It was sad. Oh, really? Oh, really now? Oh, really? Ah! Okay, go. We need to figure out a solution. I'll go sit up there and you. I will this time. What's up? You're supposed to be up there so I can log you down this time. Okay. Really? Okay, it's my turn to knock him down, people.
Feel you try. Look at what I found. No.
My turn to knock him down. Oh yeah, and this is gonna be painful. Whoa! Whoa! Clyde, you gotta get down. Whoa, that was faster than I thought. It's like a slide up there. I want to go again and again. Wrong way. Ow! Ow, my arm! My arm! My precious arm! Where's my arm? Where's my arm? Oh no! My arm is gone. Okay, just have it remove that. I have a claw on my back. Whoa! You have my arm. Give me my arm back. No! No! It's your turn to stay up there so I can knock you off. Okay. Ready? Ready? Are you ready? One! One! Ah! That was in 3 seconds. Hey! That was no... Ah! Okay, that kind of hurt. I'm going to do this again. Wee! Ow! Wrong way! Wee! Ow! Wee! Why do I keep falling the wrong way? Maybe I should be the monster. I'm in the... Oh, never mind. Ah! Right on your head. Let's go say bye to the audience.
Okay.
Bye.